Hello, my dear friends. So we are talking about sewing machine maintenance, and here are just the three major topics that we want to discuss and we want to learn. So first of all, we need to learn safety rules while working with the sewing machine. The second step, we need to learn a daily and weekly care of a sewing machine and also sewing machine storage routine. Why you will have access to this information together with the access to the very first module of the sewing fundamental course. So you can start learning and practicing safety rules and care of your sewing machine together with the learning straight stitching techniques and mastering stitching quality. So, if you are learning on your own, leave me a comment under this video and I will send you a checklist for sewing machine maintenance. If you're looking to join my sewing fundamental course, stay tuned because in the upcoming days I will announce the date for the Spring Enrollment for entire coaching program. So, I'm looking forward to seeing my upcoming video for 2 more topics for maintenance of a sewing machine, and see you there. Bye!